We're here at the Western Downs Regional Council Community Grants Expo.
We've had a great day here today talking to organisations about different grants that are available. Lots of people coming up and having one-on-one conversations and showing them the data that's available for them about their grant project and about their grant application.
I've spoken to a lot of people today. It's been a really interesting variety of people that have come in to find out what grants are available.
You just don't get that connection doing things via email or over phone calls. I always like to put a face to the name and have conversations in person, and I think people appreciate that as well.
We've had people come out on their way from Brisbane, and the feedback we've had has been terrific from them. So for something which is our first time, we'll do it again.
Definitely think it's worthwhile for all community groups to get down here and have a chat so that you can find a grant program that will help you get your projects done.